Guys, today I'll be building showing y'all a first gen build. Here we go. Go into body, customize. The front bumper is the same. We got the lash. We got the dually fenders. Got the rear bumper. No, it's not a flatbed build. It's not. No steps. No light bar. No tires, no horns, no light bar in the front, no wrench, no hydraulics for the exhaust. It's the third to last. The lights is LEDs, gun rack in the back, a toolbox in the back. It's not a tow mirror. The paint is the glossy red. The window tint is all the way blacked out. The primary color for the axle color is red, and the secondary color is black. The rim size is the fourth to last. Same for the rear. And the tires is stock, but I have the wording on it, front and rear. Now let's hop into straight to upgrades. The engine power is stage 4, grip stage 4, weight stage 4, is a diesel. Durability stage 4, is a manual, is an automatic gearbox. No e-brake, no track, no blower. It has stage 4 turbos. We're shopping to change suspension. It's running a Solid Axle Pro heavy duty. Solid Axle Pro. The axle width is 0.07. The damping's 2000. Shocks is 1. Shock size 2.0. Stiffness is 15,000. The travel is at 0.70. Axle type none. Brake type none. For the rear, axle width is 0.07. Damping is 1,000. No rear steering. Shocks 1. Shock size 2.0. Stiff is at 20,000. And then travel is at 0.63. No brake type. No axle type. Let's off the wheels and tires. For the rim size, it'd be 1.0. Wheel radius 1.2 for the front, and wheels width 1.4 for the front, and the rear is 1.0. Wheel radius is 1.2, and wheel width is 1.4. See ya.